Hey friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we are on a road trip that takes us through Indianapolis, Indiana, where we try to plan the perfect 24 hours of kid fun.
So where are we going today?
We are going to Indianapolis. It's kind of to break up our drive on the way home and see if we can plan a 24 hours worth of kid fun. See if we can do it.
Awesome. We can drive the 500.
That's not on the list of kid fun, but maybe next time.
You're the worst.
All right, let's go. We arrive in downtown Indianapolis and check into our hotel. We couldn't stay just anywhere. We're only here for the night, so we wanted to make it epic. So we're surprising the kiddos and booking a room at the Crowne Plaza, Indianapolis, downtown Union Station. For history buffs, this was America's first Union Station, and it's now been refurbished into a hotel. We are here for a very special stay because we booked one of their 1920 Pullman cars. Hey Marco, what is this?
Train cars.
Oh, that's not on a room. Why is that on a train car? Just go slow.
What? Show me around, Marco.
So this looks like it's our tiny living room area. 2 beds, but I think there's something over here. Oh, great.
What the?
Bathroom.
Beep. Great.
So we have a totally cool room.
Yeah,
It's
awesome.
amazing.
What's it like sleeping in a train? Yeah? Good. After a fun night stay in our train, we are spending the day at Indianapolis's #1 kid attraction, the Children's Museum of Indianapolis. This is the world's largest children's museum. Another great option for a day of fun is the Indianapolis Zoo, but we just have time to grab an early dinner before getting back on the road. So we're eating at the Old Spaghetti Factory for dinner, and I know that's a chain and that's not usually our style, but this is kind of unique for the kids. We are eating inside an old trolley. What'd you...
Mommy! Choo-choo!
What did you get?
Daddy!
Oh, good choice.
Choo-choo! All aboard! A train is going in 2 seconds
Where's this trolley going to?
to Alaska.
To Alaska. Holy smokes.
1, 2, let's go.
All right. Thank you, Indianapolis. We had a great time with the kids. It's snowing, but everything was indoors, and it was a great weekend, and we can't wait to come back.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.